Get ready for the ultimate journey in boat restoration with Apache Powerboats. Take a front row seat alongside owner and president Mark McManus as he guides you through the complete step-by-step museum restoration process of a 35-foot Magnum sport, originally built in 1968. Join our dedicated team of experts in the shop as they meticulously craft this one-of-a-kind transformation. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date with each new episode of our exclusive video series. This isn't just a restoration, it's a testament to the expertise and commitment of Apache Powerboats.